Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel and you're interested in becoming a model, you definitely want to consider subscribing because I make some of the best content that you guys are going to see on YouTube about the modeling industry. All right guys, so in some of my previous videos, I've talked about how to find a modeling agency to book more jobs, how to find modeling agencies in some of the major fashion capitals to help propel your career to that next level. But if you're just starting out, or maybe you're already signed to a modeling agency and you're just not getting enough work, that's nothing to worry about. You guys can actually still get a lot of work as a model. You can still do a lot of print shoots, commercial shoots, lifestyle shoots, e-commerce shoots, beauty ads, etc. Right? And I'm going to tell you guys how to get those jobs without needing to have a modeling agency coming right up. All right guys, so the good news about being a model today is that the industry has completely changed. This is not like the old days where you had to rely on your talent agency to find you jobs, right? And now there are so many apps, there's so many websites, there's so many platforms that connects the clients directly to the models, right? And I want to cover some of those top apps and top platforms that you guys should be leveraging to help you guys find more jobs. So the first thing I'm going to recommend is for you guys to download the app NewBook. NewBook is a platform that connects clients directly to the models. You don't need a modeling agency. I've only been back in the country for about 2 weeks and I've already booked 3 jobs on NewBook, and I have another job next week that I'm booked for. NewBook is quickly becoming one of the most popular apps for castings and to find models. A lot of clients are taking notice. There's an increase of jobs on the platform now. So if you guys are not on NewBook, you're definitely missing out. So there are a couple of caveats with NewBook that kind of restricts the app, right? So one is that it's only available for iPhone users, right? Secondly, most of the jobs are going to be within the United States. But not to worry, if you're outside of the United States, there's another app called Model Now. Model Now is actually one of the more popular apps for booking jobs, and they actually have more of an international footprint. So this is a great way for models to connect directly with clients, for clients to discover talent. There's similar apps like Swipecast, Agents Models, Pro Photo Shoots. Definitely leverage these apps. Make sure you sign up for all of them if you guys want to maximize your opportunities of booking jobs, especially if you're not represented by an agent, right? Sign up for these apps, create your profile, add your digitals, keep updating your portfolio, etc. But I would highly recommend NewBook for those of you who are within the United States. Again, like I said, this is quickly growing to become the more popular app for castings and for clients connecting directly with models. So now my next recommendation for how you can book more jobs without needing a modeling agency is your Instagram. And I've said this so many times, beef up your Instagram account. So you want to make sure that it's apparent on your page that you are a model, right? You're a professional model. And this might include, including in your bio, having your measurements within your bio, having your heights per se. Like for example, if you go on my profile on Instagram, you'd see that I've actually listed my height, right? I see a lot of models doing a good job with adding their digitals, adding their runway walks to their Instagram reels. These types of things helps kind of brand your page. So that way, when a client takes a look at your Instagram profile, it's apparent that you are, one, a fashion model. Secondly, you are a working model and you're a professional, right? Another thing that I tell models, especially during one-on-one consultations, is to use Instagram as a professional networking platform. That's it. If you're a model, you should be reaching out to photographers, connecting with other models, connecting with designers, discovering clients through Instagram pages, tagging, etc. Right? You want to make sure that you have a presence, and you also want to make sure that you're active on the platform. So this might include posting once or a couple of times a week. So now that you've worked on your Instagram, another way you can find jobs without needing an agency is to sign up for influencer platforms. And hear me out. A lot of influencer jobs, they're kind of user-generated content, but again, this gives you an opportunity to create content as a model for specific brands in that commercial lifestyle, that beauty space. There's some clothing brands even that look for influencer models. So this kind of gives you that platform to connect and create your own content. So once you have these types of content within your portfolio, guess what? Other clients are gonna see, hey, this person is a working model, this person has worked with X brand, they've worked with this brand, they've worked with that brand. So this kind of adds to the breadth of your experience as a model. So one of the top influencer marketing platforms that you guys can sign up for is called Aspire IQ. Now there's some others, and I'm gonna leave them in the description box down below. Now my next recommendation for how you guys can find your own modeling jobs is to sign up for casting network sites, right? So for example, there's casting networks, there's Actors Access, there's, if you're in LA, there's LA Casting, Backstage, of course. There's so many casting websites. Now primarily these jobs are mostly for actors, but here's the thing. Some of these jobs are commercial, lifestyle, photo shoot, and video shoots. And oftentimes they require someone who has some modeling experience, right? And let's be honest, most of these commercial lifestyle shoots, they tend to go for a look of the talents over the actual talent, if you know what I mean. Now, when you get into that theatrical space, that's where your talent as an actor becomes more of a factor than your actual appearance. But that's a conversation for another day. So those are my quick tips for how you guys can find your own modeling jobs. If you have questions, drop them in the comment box down below. Hit me up on my Instagram. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you like this video, I appreciate a thumbs up as always. Don't forget to sub. I'll see you guys on my next one.